India is developing at a very high speed. Be it technology, infrastructure, and/or space research, India is skyrocketing towards becoming one amongst the world's superpowers. Steel and cement is the spine of any infrastructure development. India has a huge bounty of rich mineral reserves and resources for the production of steel and cement. This gives India its edge. Indian Bureau of Mines in the Ministry of Mines is the regulatory arm of the Government of India. It is leading from the front the activities to achieve the Millennium Goals of India. The mining industry of Eastern India, under the eagle eye of IBM Kolkata, has flourished. A very rich biodiverse region, Eastern India extends from the lower Himalayas of Darjeeling and Sikkim in the north to the Bay of Bengal and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the south. The region is a significant contributor to the country's economy by virtue of its mineral-based industries like integrated steel plants, pig iron, sponge iron, cement and others. It has rich mineral resources of iron ore, manganese, limestone, dolomite, china clay, fire clay, apatite, pyroxenite, quartz, feldspar, soapstone, kyanite, base metals like copper and gold, coal and minor minerals. The region has a number of captive mines to meet the growing demand of the industry. Open cast and underground mining is practiced in this region with drilling, blasting, and excavator-dumper combination. A 2.5 kilometers long, tubular, eco-friendly conveyor system of 900 tons per hour capacity has been installed in one of the limestone mines to carry the crushed material from the mines to the beneficiation plant. To ensure 100% utilization of all grades of ore, scientific mining with optimum land use, proper pit design and blending minimizes lead distance to improve productivity. Mineral conservation is the key to sustainable life of mineral resource of the country. The oldest copper mines, along with concentrator and smelter, is located in this region. Though the copper ore in this area is of low grade, the same is beneficiated using state-of-the-art technology to produce copper concentrate. The copper concentrate is further processed in the smelter and the metal is deposited in the copper cathodes through electrolysis. The only privately operated gold mine is located in this region where low concentration of gold mined and beneficiated is an ideal example of mineral conservation. That the first limestone beneficiation plant of the country, established in 1946, is in this region is a glaring example of optimal utilization of low-grade limestone resource. There are only 2 plants of such kind under operation in the country. Low-value minerals like china clay are also beneficiated by leviation to make it marketable. With the increase in demand of low-grade iron ore in the world, a host of initiatives have been taken in different iron ore mines to judiciously utilize the very low-grade iron ore. For utilization of low-grade iron ore, wet beneficiation plants, including jigging facilities, have been redesigned with modern technology to provide the beneficiated iron ore to steel plants across the country. Moreover, to agglomerate the huge finds generated in course of mining, pelletization plant has already been commissioned in the region. Utilization of mining wastes are used for road making and whole road maintenance. The excess quantity of overburden is stacked separately over non-mineralized area. The dams are terraced, coir matted, planted for stability, and are surrounded by toe walls to arrest erosion. Garland drains and settling ponds, along with check dams, have been constructed to ensure settling of suspended solids and outflow of clear water from the Lees area. High-tech dust suppression systems like high-pressure water tankers, sprinklers and water mist technology system are in use for air quality control. To catch surface runoff water from hills and augment the groundwater, rainwater harvesting technique and groundwater recharge system have been adopted. The Zero Discharge Slime Dam is a model example of water conservation. To maximize and speedy water recovery, chemicals are added for faster settling of suspended solids and cleaner water is recycled. The mining projects of eastern India were initiated about 80 years back in remote areas. By the virtue of mining, they are now approachable from all over the country through developed roads and rails. The colonies are equipped with modern amenities and vibrant ambience has been created for better quality of life. The communities around the remote mining periphery are now equipped with the basic amenities of life. Villages in the periphery have been adopted by various mines for holistic development. The local people have been benefited since 1925 with healthcare facilities from mobile clinic to full-fledged hospitals with critical care facilities in few of them. Modern eye, dental, cardiac care, pathological facilities, with intensive care unit have been functioning effectively.
पहले हम लोग को बहुत तकलीफ मिलता था, ज़्यादा बुखार होने से बच्चा पकड़ के फिर पैदल जाने होता था। अभी गाड़ी घोड़ा सब हो गया, बहुत सुविधा दे रहा है।
हम लोग का जीवन बहुत दयनीय था, लेकिन जब से हम लोग का उषा मार्टिन माइंस खुला है तब से हम लोग अभी थोड़ा हम लोग को रोज़गार मिला। रोज़गार मिलने के बाद हम लोग अभी बहुत बढ़िया जीवन यापन कर रहे हैं।
Significant contributions have been made towards education in these hard-to-reach areas by setting up a host of educational institutions from general primary schools to smart schools. The euthenics communities around the mining areas are also benefited through a host of social initiatives by the mining communities, such as formation of self-help groups, encouraging weaving, mushroom cultivation, jewelry, pisciculture through formation of cooperatives. The hidden talents of the youth are brought out by establishing national-level institutions to encourage archery, football, hockey and other sports.
यहाँ से बहुत सारे स्टेट लेवल के आर्चर हैं और नेशनल लेवल के आर्चर है और इंटरनेशनल लेवल में भी मेडल जीत चुके हैं। यहाँ से हमें बहुत तरह की सुविधा दी जाती है, पढ़ाई की, इसके बाद फुल किट की, इसके बाद खान पान, सब तरह से यहाँ पे फैसिलिटी दिया जाता है। अगर सेल हमें इसी तरह से सहायता करते रहे तो हम ओलंपिक तक मेडल लाने की कोशिश करेंगे।
Towards care for wildlife, solar fencing have been erected. The present iron ore mining scenario in India is currently going through a difficult phase. The impacts have resulted in temporary economic imbalance.
शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में, स्वास्थ्य के क्षेत्र में आर्थिक रूप से धीरे धीरे करके हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। इसीलिए माइंस बंद होने से तो हम लोग मरा हुआ जैसे रहेंगे और माइंस चालू रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो हम लोग अभी इतना पूरा रूप से हम लोग सबल भी नहीं है।
The government has taken a number of steps which will strengthen overall socio-economic development in the long run, resulting in regular and legal mining. IBM towards a model mining fraternity of the tomorrow.